Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can personalize or brand the Zoom waiting room. So when people log in for a meeting with you and they are in the waiting room, rather than the generic Zoom message that they get, you can personalize it with an image, which just looks a little bit better. So the first thing that you want to do is to create a graphic in Canva or whatever platform that you use. The sizing is 400 pixel by 200 pixels, so 400 by 200. Create the image for it to say whatever you want it to say. Shelly will let you in soon. It could just be your logo. You can let your creativity go wild on this one, depending on your brand. And then once you've created that, download it as a JPEG or a PNG, and then you want to log into Zoom. When you go into Zoom, you want to go into settings, then meeting, and then you want to go down to security. And here you'll see if you've got the waiting room turned on, you need to have the waiting room turned on to enable this, and then click on Customize Waiting Room. And then you can see here, the customers in the waiting room will see a default screen. So this is what you want to change. They could see a logo and a description, a video if you wanted to upload a video, or an image. And so if you just want to upload an image, so for example, I've got one there, just click on upload image, upload the image that you want to do, and click on save. And that means that anytime now I'm hosting a Zoom meeting, if they get there before I do, that is what they will see. And it just looks a little bit more professional and personal. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more hints and tips.